Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and this is the Dreame Z1 Pro. It's an AI-powered pool cleaner that doesn't require a connection to your pool and works like your home robot vacuum, but for your pool. Dreame sent me this, and I thought I'd take a look at it and give you an overview of it, and this video is sponsored by Dreame. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what's in the box. So let's go ahead and open this up. I've already cut the tape on the top, and you can see we have a giant quick start guide of how to set it up and get it connected to your phone and everything else. We also have a manual here that comes with it. Also, we have a little hook, it looks like, to pull this out of the water if you need to, along with a USB-C cable. So USB-C here, and then also a remote. We'll talk about this a little bit later. This is a great feature, as well as a charger to charge the device itself. So you want to charge the pool cleaner. It takes about 6 hours to charge and will last about 4 hours. Let's remove the foam here. So we'll remove the foam on either side, and we can see the pool cleaner itself. Now this is fairly large. It looks kind of like a tank, and let's go ahead and get it set up. On the top, we have a power button along with a pairing button, and then we have an area that allows you to charge it. I'll show you that in a moment. We've got a couple vents for the fans on top that allow it to vacuum and then suction to a wall. And then of course we've got some tank treads. On the side, we've got sensors. This thing has sensors all over it. We've got some sensors on the front, along with some sweepers. And then on the back here, again, it looks basically the same. And if we go over to the other side, we've got another tank tread. So it's pretty simple and should vacuum the pool. Now we'll get it paired to our phone so we can sort of set it up for the first time. Now the first thing we need to do is charge it. This is the charger, it's magnetic, and we just place it on the top and you'll see it light up and start charging. The next thing to do is install the Dreame app. So if we go into Dreame, you'll see I'm already connected and we're charged to 99%. We can go to the device and get it connected via Bluetooth. It's also connected via Wi-Fi, and you'll see I haven't used it yet. So I need to place it in the water after turning it on and get it set up. So let's go ahead and do that, and we'll disconnect the charger, and then we'll turn it on. So we'll disconnect this, press and hold for 3 seconds, and it turns on. So here's the pool we're going to clean. So we'll go ahead and clean this. This is actually my sister's pool, and we'll get it cleaned and see how it handles it. It's got a deep end. It's about 6 feet deep or so, and then it has a shallow area as well. So the cleaner will actually map this. Now that everything's ready, we're fully charged, we'll go ahead and tap start. Then we can place it in the water and get it started. So now it's going to map the pool. You can see here, it says robot is cleaning, a sparkling pool awaits. The Dreame Z1 Pro has durable and long-lasting dual brushless motors that can clean debris from your pool such as sand, twigs, leaves, hair, and algae. It cycles through 8,000 gallons of water per hour along with dual brushes to scrub any surface it's cleaning. It even cleans the water line of your pool to keep all pool surfaces as clean as possible. You do have 4 cleaning modes with standard mode, which is a comprehensive and efficient cleaning mode, floor only mode, walls only mode, and waterline focus. The LiFi remote is a really cool addition that lets you control the Dreame without getting into the water. Simply point the remote and you can steer the cleaner, assign tasks, or tell it to come to you so you can retrieve it out of the pool. Once the cleaning is complete, the pool cleaner will auto-park itself at the side of your pool for easy retrieval. It will also do this if the battery is getting low. Once you take it out of the water, you can remove the 100 micrometer filter and rinse it out and use it again. The Dreame Z1 Pro is powered by the PoolSense advanced pool sensing technology that combines ultrasound, 3D structured light, and time of flight to understand its environment and determine the best way to clean your pool possible. Once the Dreame Z1 Pro understands your pool, it then uses intelligent navigation and path planning using an S-shaped route to clean the pool floor, and then it cleans the pool walls using an N-shaped route. You'll see it's still making its way around the pool. It's cleaned a little bit, and it's nice and quiet. You don't really hear anything whatsoever. However, it does seem to struggle with maintaining Bluetooth and Wi-Fi under the water, but that's why you have that nice remote. Now I have it focusing on the walls only, and you'll see it's going up and down, cleaning the wall specifically. So you'll see it's dropping down into the water, then it will come back up, typically at an angle, and then move over and clean the next part of the wall. It will do this all the way around the pool to make sure everything's nice and clean. Now you can see it's figuring out the water line. It's coming up to the edge, cleaning as it's going up and down, and sort of still mapping the pool overall. So you'll see it come up from the side of the pool here. It can suction itself to the side and clean the entire thing this way. And you'll see it's still figuring out where to go, and it's cleaned a good amount of the pool already. So you'll see it's staying at the top there. You can see the vents pushing out a ton of water, and it's just holding itself there. While it's cleaning the bottom of the pool, if there's obstacles in the way, such as vents or drains or anything else, it looks at that, determines if it can go around it or over the top of it, and then cleans that as well if it can. In this case, there was no problem going over the vents, and you'll see it's just going to continue on its way. So it continues to go back and forth, mapping the pool, and then you can see it clean in that S pattern I mentioned earlier. So it does take some time to clean the pool, about 3 hours or so in this case, maybe 4 if it cleans the entire walls and then the edge all the way around. But it looks like it does a very thorough job, makes sure it gets everything, even the edges as it's going around there. And then again, it goes back over where it went before and makes sure it's very clean. Now for areas like this where you have some steps that go down into the water, this is a little trickier for it as it might be too shallow for it to climb up and then come up on over. So you can place it in the water right here and then it will clean it for you. One thing I was pretty impressed with is it went on the side of the stairs and even cleaned that. So where it had enough surface area to grab, it just would go along the edge and make sure that was clean as well. So that was something I didn't expect. Now, as it's cleaning the edge of the pool, this is where it gets a little bit noisy, but this is as loud as it gets. Otherwise, it's mostly silent. So as it's at the edge of the pool, it just makes a little noise. Now, the bottom of the pool is completely clean. There's a few different stains there that it can't clean up. You would need to maybe scrub those out differently, but all of the dirt, debris, leaves, or any sticks have been picked up. It's nice and clean on the entire bottom. When you're done cleaning, you pull it back out of the water, and you'll see a map of your pool. You can see the status of the Dreame Z1 Pro. When the power's low, you can go ahead and grab the power adapter, make sure this is dried off right here, and then connect it, and you'll see the status bar right here. So it's a little bit low. It won't allow you to start cleaning again until it's over 20% charge. So that's the Dreame Z1 Pro. I think this is a really nice home automation device, and I love to see these sorts of things, whether it's a home vacuum or a pool vacuum. I think it's a great addition to maybe your home and worth checking out if you have a pool. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.